Sonia, you can hear?
Yes, sir. I can help.
And Buddhadev can hear? Buddhadev, can you hear? Hello, Buddha.
Hello, sir.
You can't hear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Then, Mani, I can hear. Shrenik Doshi can hear. Shrenik Shah. Okay, Shrenik Shah. Yeah, Shrenik Doshi or Shrenik Shah? What was your name? Shrenik?
Yeah, actually ID में श्रेणिक दोषी है, ईमेल आईडी में ना श्रेणिक शाह है.
हाँ, ये इतना गड़बड़ का काम करता है. Okay. Now, actually, we are supposed to have Priyanka here. When Priyanka comes, we will be starting the class. Priyanka said she will be joining. Anuradha and Jalpa probably. Anuradha and Jalpa are here. Jigisha has joined. Jigisha is joining. I'm waiting for Priyanka. And Priyanka said she would be taking the class. So, Kusum is there. Kusum, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Only late. Okay, so how are you all today?
Today I am fine, sir.
I'm fine, and we are going to have a new screen. You can see.
Yes.
The new background means when we are not sharing anything, we will be having this background. How is it looking nice?
Yes, it is looking colorful.
Colorful, actually. Yeah. That we have this background. Otherwise, you have to see my face all the time, which is not a very pleasant thing. You don't have to see my face. So I am not where is and Buddhadev, your Kusum, your audio is off.
Yes, sir.
Why? Only when I am explaining something. Yeah, now your audio is also off. Now it is on. Video.
Sir, I'm not talking. That's why.
Okay.
When I have to say something, I will unmute.
Okay, that also you can do. And video you can off only if the network is creating a problem. If you have poor network, otherwise the video can be on. If the network is creating a problem, then you have your. Okay. I don't know what happened to Priya. Priya says she will be joining and she is not here. Okay. Okay, today we are having this one. Now, first, this part, you will read this part as it is. Then you will have, now yesterday you were talking actually independently. Today you will have to say on the same topic. That is, you are looking for someone's house. You are going somewhere, you are going to find someone's house and but the other things you can change. So first, let us have as it is. Buddhadev and Jigisha start. One will say the left side and one will say the right side. It's a very short dialogue. And then the next page also we have 2 lines. Okay, here a line and then this one. Here also we have 2 lines. So say, Buddhadev and Jigisha start. Priyanka has come. Okay, wait. When Priyanka has come, then I don't have to do anything. Priyanka is a genius teacher. Okay. Yeah, Priyanka is joining, wait, and then she can do it. Yeah, Priyanka. Now you can hear? Priyanka?
Hello?
You can hear?
Yes, sir.
So actually, they are doing this dialogue. Joshi is actually is more concerned about his hairstyle, I think. Okay. So what you have to do, Priyanka, is they will be doing. If they have any problem, you can say. So first, the first two participants come. Jigisha and Buddha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Start. Priyanka is waiting for you, and you start. The first one.
Sir,
got-
seeing the screen.
Yeah, seeing the screen, but afterwards I will stop sharing. Then you without seeing the screen. Okay. Means
Okay.
the similar thing, but not the same thing. You will be finding someone's house. Okay, come.
Could you tell me first Dick's house?
Rise in rising tone. Dick's house. You don't have to tone down. Could you tell me where is Dick's house? Could you tell me where is Dick's house? Yeah,
Could you
Jigisha.
tell me first?
Yeah, say again. There was an audio problem. Say again.
Could you tell me where is Dick's house?
Sorry, I don't know his father's name.
So where it is, wait 1 minute. Don't say of your own. First time you follow this one. Second, you can say of your own. Here is, could you tell me his father's name? Could you tell me his father's name? Say what it is written here. The second time,
Could you,
when I will,
okay, could you tell me?
I will stop sharing the screen. At that time, you say your own. Okay. Okay. Say that.
Could you tell me his father's name?
Could you tell me you're leaving a lot of gap? Could you tell me his father's name? The gap should be very small. Could you tell me the gap is very small? Could you tell me? Could you tell me? Then you are waiting for a long time. Could you tell me his father's name? The gap should be very short. Yeah. Say again. Say again.
Could you tell me his father's name?
Okay, Jigisha.
I don't know his father's name.
Mhm.
You see, there are two boys called Dick.
Two boys now. Two boys now. Two boys. Two boys. There are two boys called Dick. There are two boys called Dick. Say. You see, there are two boys called Dick.
There are two boys called Dick.
Yeah. Now, Jigisha, why are you waiting so long? Say.
Oh, my friend Dick is short. Reads in class 4.
Yeah.
Does he have curly hair?
Okay.
That's right. He also wears glasses.
Hmm.
Please go to second floor.
Okay.
Which
Please
flat?
go to the second floor.
Please
You
go.
missed the.
Please go to the second floor. Please go, but don't say so strongly. Please go to the second floor. Okay. Yeah, say again. Please go to the second floor. Say again.
Which flat on the second floor?
This is a question. Which, why are you putting a full stop there? Say in rising tone, it's a question. Which flat on the second floor?
Which flat on the second floor?
The one to your right.
Okay. Then,
Does it have a nameplate?
does it have a nameplate? Again, question. Question in rising tone. Does it have a nameplate?
Does it have a nameplate?
Yes, it's Mr. Ford.
Yes.
Thanks
After
a lot.
one.
Sorry for the trouble.
After yes, stop a bit. Comma is there. Yes. It's Mr. Ford. Okay.
Yes, it's Mr. Ford.
Yeah, Jigisha, continue. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Sorry for the trouble.
Not at all. I am glad I could help.
Okay. Now, Jalpa is waiting. I thought when. Okay. Now, Anuradha and Jalpa, can you do this one? Then I'll switch off. Then you can do of your own. Anuradha and Jalpa, both of you have joined. So you can do that. Anuradha and Jalpa.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Jalpa. Good afternoon, Anuradha. That both of you are there.
I in laptop, but laptop.
Okay. Yeah. Now at that time I saw that HP, so I thought both of you have joined. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Yes,
She's
sir.
one of you.
Sound is not.
Okay, one of you maybe on phone and one of you being on laptop. It's okay. So say this.
Which one, sir?
The first
First
one.
one.
Could you tell me? Yeah.
Could you tell me where Dick's house?
Yeah, come.
Could you tell me his father's? Acha,
Yeah.
line se bola.
It's okay. You will say the right side. One will say the left side, one will say the right side. Okay. Yeah, say.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know his father's name.
You see, there are two boys called this.
Dick.
Oh, my friend Dick is short. Read in class 4.
It is Dick, not Disc. Dick. D-I-C-K, Dick. If you want, you can change your name. Change the names. Yeah, my friend Dick is short. Reads in class, not reads in class 4. Hey, you do one thing. Do it from the beginning. Do it from the beginning. Starting from the start.
From
the start, yeah.
Could you tell me where's Dick's house?
Not Disc, Dick's. Okay, you change the name. You change the name to some other boy. You change the name. Any other boy? Tom, Prem, anything you do? Or any boy or girl? You can change the name.
Could you tell me where's Anand house?
Anand's house. Anand apostrophe S. Anand's house.
Anand's house.
Anand's. You have to say Anand's apostrophe S. Could you tell
Anand's
me
house.
where is Anand's house? Okay. Yeah, say.
Could you tell me his father's name?
Very good.
Sorry, I don't know his father's name.
You see, there are two boys called Sam.
Anand.
Oh, my friend Sam is short. Reads in class 4.
Okay, so whenever you are saying, oh, my friend, so you're taking a pause after my friend. So there will be no pause. You are saying, oh, my friend, and then taking a pause. Okay, you have to take a pause after oh.
When there is a comma.
My friend Dick is short. Reads in class 4. মানে
Yeah.
যেখানে যেখানে কমা আছে সেখানে সেখানে পজ আছে
Okay.
Okay.
Dick is short. Read in class
My
4.
friend Dick
You
is
are saying
short.
Anand. It's not Dick anymore, right? Yeah, say.
No, sir. Actually, Jalpa has said instead of this, Sam.
It is not Disc.
So it's okay. You can change the name, but please
You can change the
continue
name.
with that
Actually, what
sentence.
problem is that she's saying disc, like hard disk. It's not disc. It is tick, tick, tick. Okay,
Dick.
like hickory, dickory, dock, dickory, dick. You have heard the rhyme. So dick. Okay.
Does he have curly hair?
That's right. He also wear glasses.
Please go to the
Wears
school.
glasses. Okay.
Wears
Wears.
Also there, not.
Please go to the second floor.
Which flat on the second floor?
The one to your right.
Does it have a nameplate?
Yes, it's Mr. Ford.
Thanks a lot. Sorry for the trouble.
Not at all. I am glad I could help.
I'm glad I could help. Okay. Then the next two participants, the next one, I'm so happy. Afterwards, I will stop the sharing. Then you'll have to do without that. Who are the next two? After you have finished, Jigisha and Jigisha did with whom? Buddha. And Munia did with Munia did not do. Then they two did. Now Munia and Sayan and Shrenik and Buddha. Now Munia and Sayan, do the next one. No, Buddha did, na? Yeah, Munia and Sayan. Okay. Munia and Sayan. And
I can start.
what happened?
So I can start the second one.
Yeah, start with the second one. I am so happy.
Okay.
And you are doing
I am
well.
so happy. Okay. I am so happy.
So I am.
So am I. So am I.
So am I.
Our holidays start tomorrow.
Our holidays
Right.
start tomorrow. Holidays Tekkuta. Our holidays start tomorrow.
Our holidays start tomorrow.
Right.
Going anywhere?
We are going to Kerala. You?
To Goa. It's a nice place.
A wonderful place. Try next year.
I have never been to Kerala.
I think you have missed line, Munia. After you said to Goa, it's a nice place. You have one more line. It is. We went there last year.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you say from the beginning
Sorry,
again. From the start.
Okay. I am so happy.
So am I.
So am I. So am I.
Our holidays start tomorrow.
Right. Going anywhere?
We are going to Kerala. You?
To Goa. It's a nice place.
It is. We went there last year.
I have never been to Kerala.
I've never been to Kerala. I've never been Akshate to Kerala. Akshate. I've never been to Kerala.
I have never been to Kerala.
Hmm.
A wonderful place. Try next year.
I will tell further.
I'll tell father. Okay.
Well, happy journey.
Same to you. So long.
Acha. Now, who Lopamudra is coming. Okay, very good. Okay. Acha, now, who is left actually in the this one participant of the students? I'm saying. Learner, who is left? Shrenik is left. And who else left? Else? Kusum. Right? Kusum and Shrenik is left. Buddha, you have done? Okay. Kusum and Shrenik, come. And Lopamudra is going to hear. Same thing.
Tell
I'm
which
so happy.
one?
Same thing. I'm so happy.
I am so happy.
So am I.
Our holiday starts tomorrow.
Right, going anywhere?
We are going to Kerala.
Take a pause after right.
After right, there is a full stop. Right. There will be long pause.
Take a little
right.
pause.
Right, going anywhere?
We are going to Kerala. You?
To Goa. It's a nice place.
It is. We went there last year.
I have never been to Kerala.
I've never been to Kerala. I have never been. Have been is a single verb. So I have never been. It should be together. Then to Kerala.
I have never been to Kolkata, Kerala.
I've never been to Kerala. Okay.
A wonderful place. Try next year.
I will tell father.
I'll tell.
Well,
father.
happy journey.
Same to so long.
Don't say I will tell. I'll tell. I'll should be together. I'll tell. Okay. Now I'll stop the sharing. Yeah. I'll tell. I'll tell father. Don't say I will tell father. I'll tell father. Okay. Now I'll share this one. So what you have to do is now do the same thing without seeing a similar thing. The first two. You are looking for someone's house. Okay.
Excuse me, do you know where is Susmita's house?
Could you tell me her father's name?
Sorry, I don't know.
You see, I don't know any Sushmita.
Okay.
Okay, but you know, she study with me, and she is from this colony.
She
So I think
studies
she-
with me or she is studying with me. She studies with me or she is studying with
She
me.
is studying with me, and she is from here, or she is from this colony.
She is from this colony. Okay.
I
And
don't know any Sushmita. Could you tell me her nickname?
Yeah, you tell some nickname.
Okay, I do not know it. Probably Bubbly.
Oh, there's are two bubbly. Please description of her.
Yeah, describe her.
Okay. Oh, she has curly hair, and she is very tall.
She has curly hair. and she is very tall. Okay. She has, not she have. She has curly hair and she is very tall.
I have told you that.
Okay.
I have told
No,
you.
maybe I did not hear properly. Okay. Next. Yeah, Jigisha. Say about your curly hair bubbly. Come.
Please go forward and after 2 houses, you can see her house.
After 2 houses, you can see her house. Okay. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. The next 2 who did after Jigisha, and who are the next 2? Who did that?
Sir, Munia and Sion.
Muna and Sain. Okay. You did the same thing or you did going to Kerala? Which one you did?
Sir, next one.
Okay, do that. Then Anuradha and Jalpa will do this one. Okay, come. Do it fast.
Okay. Hi, Sion. How are you?
I am fine. You?
I'm so happy. Our holiday starts tomorrow.
Right. Going anywhere?
Yes, we are going to Kerala. You?
To Goa. It's a nice place.
It is. We went there last year. And when you go there?
Not when you
Sorry?
go there. When will you go there? Or when do you plan to go there? When do you plan to go there?
When do you plan to go there?
No, I go Goa.
I go to Goa. I'm going to Goa.
I love Goa.
I'm going to Goa. I love Goa. Okay, then. He is going to Goa. He loves Goa. Then anything else, Munia?
Okay. Goa is a wonderful place. I try to go there next year.
I will try. Next year, how can you be tried? I will try to go there next year.
Okay. I will try to go there next year.
Okay.
Okay. I also try to go Kerala next year.
I will also try to go to Kerala. Not go Kerala, go to Kerala. Don't
go to Kerala next year.
Yesterday also you were saying go market. It's go to market. Okay, the next one, Anuradha and Jalpa, they were doing the first one. So you can do that. Searching for someone's house. And don't say disc. Leave that dick and have some other name. Okay? You have someone else.
Where are you going?
I am find out my friend's house. Her name is Suchitra.
I'm trying to
I'm
find
finding
out.
my friends.
Yeah, I'm finding, but I'm trying to find. Yeah. Okay. I'm finding my friend's house. Her name is Suchitra then. Yeah, Anuradha,
Where did
continue.
she live?
Where? What did you
Where
say?
did she live?
Where does she live? Not did. Past tense kuch.
Where does
Where does she live? Where did she live? Mane past tense. Where does she live?
Where does she live?
She lives in Rishra.
Okay. My one of my friend is also living there.
What is her name?
Her name is Darshana.
Okay. What she is doing?
She is doing job.
She is doing a job. She is doing a
She is
job.
doing a job. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
What type of job?
She is in IT sector.
Okay. My one friend is also in IT sector.
Not my one friend. One of my friends. One of
my friends is also in IT sector. His name is Sham.
Okay, so nice. What are you doing now?
After this English class, I am cooking.
I'm going to. I will cook or I'm going to cook. Yeah, you can solve. I will cook. After the English class, I'll cook or I'm going to cook.
What will you cook for your family?
No, today I make some famous nasta of Gujarati, that is menda puri.
I'm going to make, or I will make. Okay, I'll make some. What is it? Menda puri. Okay. Priyanka Lopamutra, we are going to. Okay, let's go. Also, she is there. What?
Like that.
Okay.
No, sir. Anuradha is not making a circle. Roti is not making circle.
Roti is not round in shape. Roti
Yes,
won't
sir.
make circles.
Can't make it round.
She can't make it round. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can make it triangle or
Can't make.
square or whatever you can. So you don't make roti.
Yes,
You
yes.
make. No, Anuradha has one solution. Don't make roti. You make only paratha. It's triangular or square or something. You don't make roti.
Yes.
Okay. Or you use a machine for that. That roti maker
Yes,
machine is there. You use that.
Roti
Okay.
machine.
Okay, you're finished?
I
Then, yeah, say. You're going to say something?
Yes. Can we continue or left?
If you have something more to say, you can continue. If you
Okay,
want
sir.
2 or 3 lines more, you can continue. If you have some idea, then you can continue. You have got some idea of how to continue? Yeah. See? The last line was she was making some what puri, I don't know what puri she was making.
Maida puri.
Maida.
Maida puri.
Maida puri, okay. Then.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday someone
too
was
like
eating a
that.
rava dosa, now maida puri, okay. Then. Okay.
We are in Bengal, so we like
Okay.
foodies.
Okay, okay. Okay. Next.
Where we okay,
Yeah.
sir.
What? Nothing more? Okay, then we have 10 minutes. The time is running out. Okay, then who is left? Who is left? Munia has finished? Hello? Yeah, then who is left? Kusum and? Okay, Kusum and who is left?
Shrenik.
Huh? Yeah, Kusum and
Shrenik.
Shrenik. Okay, fast. Kusum and Shrenik.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, I am fine. And you?
I am fine. Our holidays starting from tomorrow.
Oh, very nice.
Where are you going?
I am going to Calcutta.
What?
I am going
You?
to Calcutta. After 2, don't give a pause. I am going to, don't give a pause after 2. Pause will be before 2. I am going to Calcutta.
I am going to Calcutta. And you?
I am going to Goa.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, it's a nice place.
And you know for Calcutta?
Yes, I live in Kolkata.
What is it? You know for Calcutta? What did you say? Shreni, what did you say? You know for Calcutta? What did you say just now?
No, it
What was the
means
sentence? Yeah, tell me. You just repeat the sentence. You don't have to explain. What was that sentence?
you know the Calcutta means
Not you know the Calcutta. Do you know Kolkata or have you been to Kolkata? Okay. Or do you know about Kolkata? You can say, do you know Kolkata or do you know about Kolkata or have you been to Kolkata? Okay. Okay, Maya, Mania, continue.
you some information for Calcutta city.
Do you have
Can
any
you give
information?
some information on? There is lots of places you can go.
Yeah, there are a lot of
like
places.
Victoria, Science City, and museum, etc.
Could you give me some information or tourist information about Kolkata, right?
Okay, very good. And which time you go to Goa?
Which time and when? Don't say which time. Which time means 6 o'clock, 7. When do you go to Goa? When are you
When
going
we
to Goa?
go to?
When are you going? Yes, because it is planned actually.
Yeah.
When are you going to Goa? Munia, when are you going to Goa?
At evening, I have a flight.
Evening by evening flight. I'm going
Yes, sir.
by this evening flight.
Evening flight. Okay,
I'm
sir.
going by the evening flight. Okay, very good. You have lots of money from evening flights. Okay, then. Okay, then.
Okay, you can enjoy Goa.
Okay.
Yes. You, same to you.
And how are you coming to Kolkata? But you also coming by flight?
When are you going to Kolkata?
I'm going to after lockdown.
I'm going to after lockdown. I'm going after the lockdown. Not I'm going to after lockdown. I'm going after the lockdown. Okay. Then that's all. Finished?
Very good then.
Okay. Now we have exactly 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, Lopamudra and Priyanka will tell you some hints on dialogue. Okay, come. 5 minutes 26.
Topic quickly.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Give us any topic or give the model conversation.
Same thing about each other or about your experience in this one. Anything. For instance, you can say about your experience in teaching, or about your experience in India, about your college, about your school, about your lockdown. Any topic you can say. Or even this same conversation, like you are looking for someone's house, the same thing also you can say. Or your vacation planning, that too one, which one you had. If you want me to open something, I can open, not that.
No, it's okay, sir. Impromptu we can do. I can ask Priyanka
Okay.
something.
Yeah.
She'll come back.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Priyanka.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Priyanka. I
Hi.
met you after a long time. So, what are your plans this summer vacation?
Okay, so currently lockdown is going, so I can't step outside actually. The whole summer vacation, I think this year is gonna like it's going to wane actually. I'll try to read books. I'll try to read books and we'll watch movies. We'll watch web series. We'll cook for my parents. That's it. What are your plans?
Yes, my plans are more or less like yours, more or less similar, except that maybe I'll be helping out my students who want an extra care, a bit of extra care from me, and I'll look after my child and cook for my family and spend time in general with them, good time, which we don't get throughout the year.
That's
And maybe watch movies on Netflix if possible, because now there's a lot of time, we can utilize it. And how about using our time more creatively?
I think we can use this time to brush up our skills. Like many of us can paint well, many of us can dance well, so we don't get the time usually. Generally, we have classes, so this is the time when we can brush up our skills actually.
True, right you are. And if you are fond of brushing up your English, then we are always there to help you, right?
Yes, very true, very true. That's correct.
That's correct. Yes. So that's about it, sir. Will that do?
Okay. We have got just 2 minutes more. So,
main thing what we need to say probably is everybody is talking, conversing, but they are not very aware where they have to stop, where they have to start, and the intonation is going wrong. So pauses are as important as talking. So we have to remember that. Do you agree with me, Priyanka?
Yes, actually, absolutely.
Pauses a long time. I don't know now.
Very much
Nowadays, nowadays, I don't think they teach. Previously, they used to teach us while reading. When you have no punctuation, where you have to stop, like short pauses, automatic pauses, that should be count 1. When you have comma, count 2. When you have semicolon, count 3. And when you have full stop, count 4. I don't think they teach it now. Yeah, Lopamudra, at least I have learned that one.
Yes,
like,
almost so.
And actually, there is no
everybody is running.
There's no punctuation, but you are dividing. Like yes, if I'm going to Kolkata, then count 1. That is a breath pause, we call it. When there is a comma, count 2. If there is semicolon, count 3. And if there is a full stop, count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do the next line. This rule was we learned. I don't know nowadays. I don't think they teach this. We learned this.
Yes, a lot big syllabus, but then not much about finance.
Because actually they are children. They teach actually the wrong way. They teach. The beginning they teach wrong. They are like he is going. You have to say every word. That's the way they teach. From their childhood, they teach the wrong method. Okay, so we are ending the
We
meeting.
are all adult people.
Yeah. So okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all the students. Then next Monday, next it will be Monday, okay? Next we will have Monday. Saturday, Sunday we don't have class. Saturday 12
Okay,
o'clock we
sir.
have a class. Sunday 12 o'clock we have a class. That's for competitive exam. But any of you can join. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.